I want to get this on video. This is the effects of Tropical Storm Fay. It's August 20th, 2008. I want to show you what the pond looks like. It's unbelievable. Let's bring you out here. Going out this way. Here we go. I want to show you. This is right up. Level. It's level. Unbelievable. There's the house. There's the water. There's the house. There's the water. There's no hill whatsoever. Unbelievable. Let's walk this way. Back out this way. This is actually worse than one of the hurricanes. Yeah, John and Charlene are coming next week. They timed that good. Hopefully this will be cleared up. We just got a message from the St. Lucie West Water District not to flush our toilets. There we go. There we go. There's my beautiful lime tree down. There's Lenny, my neighbor. And here we go. I'm a mess. Hey, I'm taking pictures. How are you?
Okay.
This is crazy, huh? This Lenny, my neighbor. Okay. I'm going to show you the flooding in the front.
They didn't deliver yesterday.
Huh?
They didn't deliver mail.
I wonder why. Jeez. I know.
Another one up the road.
I know. Look at this. This is the front of the house. This is amazing. The winds are kicking up a little bit. Just to show you. There we go. All right. Brady won't walk. Okay, I'm going to walk in it a little bit. I'm going to walk so you can see. Here we go. Yep. Crazy, huh? Crazy. There's the house. There's the water. Hey, I don't know if you can see down the street, but we're flooded in down the street too. This is fun. Okay, guys. See you later.